Welcome guys, welcome back to my channel again. I hope you guys doing good. Yes, I'm good too, my friends. Today's vlog and webinar is about all Blum. So here is Blum official website. As you can see, the all crypto one app. So what it is mean about it? All right, so let's begin today's webinar with you guys. So the main focus on this webinar is how you can create Blum your own token on Blum MemePad. So don't as you know, this is a YouTube protocol, so don't miss to hit subscribe button and like the video and do comment what you're thinking about the Blum and all this project about. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. All right, so let's begin guys. So here is Blum website launch Blum on Telegram. So I'm gonna click it. All right, all right. Start bot. All right. This is the bot, and now here, as you can guys see, launch Blum. All right. So I'm gonna launch Blum right now. This is all live. I'm doing. This is my account, guys. All right. So here is Launchpad, and this is the earning and uh, do task every task as much as you can possible every task. All right, so today's topic is Blum MemePad. So here is MemePad, right guys? So here I'm gonna click it, click start. So look at this, this is actually live. All right, so I already create my own token here, but it will take some time to launch, maybe 24 hours or maybe more than that. So how you guys can create here, you can create your launch token. Click it, launch token. I just give you example, that's why I'm just open this and just click here. You can add your icon, your full token name, um, trigger name and some description. After that you have to add your Telegram username and social media apps like Twitter and Instagram. All right, so here I already make a token and I'm going to show you right now. So here is some fresh tokens, some hot, some blooming. All right, so here I'm going to show you my token. All right, so my token name is Blum XL. All right, guys. As you can see, it's founded here in their Blum blockchain in their memepad. So your chart is coming soon. It's okay. So it takes some times. It will cost you. Look, the trading is about the when price will be fake set. All right, then you guys can easily this is the milestone, or as you can say, the prize money is 1,500 tons. Okay, so what is this? You can see a bonding curve shows how token price rise, demand increases. So that's how you guys can see easily. Okay, so you need to connect your wallet. All right, I already do so. You need to connect to wallet. Just let me show you. Token giver. Always try to um, always try to use Telegram on wallet. I already make a transaction. It will be cost you almost $3 something. All right. It's true. I don't know because I don't do that right now because I'm using it on my phone. So this is all about the Blum All right, guys. So here it is. You can use another wallet if you want to. So this is the way you can create your own token. All right. So my token name is Blum Excel. So please do consider um, to give a like this webinar and video uh, if you think it's helpful for you guys. Okay, so thank you so much. Have a great blessed day, and I'm gonna keep updating you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Have a great blessed day. Blessed day. Yes. Bye bye.